Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Niharika Joshi and today we are going to be talking about websites. Now, I know all of you might know that what a website looks like and what is the meaning of a website. But for starting, I want to keep it really subtle and normal. So moving towards my topic, what is a website? So the typical definition of a website would be it is a collection of what? Web resources such as web pages and multimedia, okay, that are identified by one domain and published by at least one server. Now don't get panicked, we'll understand it part by part. Okay, now let's say I am a user, right? And I am searching Apple on Google. You can search Apple on any kind of search engine, right? So what the search engine will show? It will show some of the links that are posted about Apple and some of the videos or else images of Apple. So now you know web pages and multimedia that are attached, that are web resources to a website. Now the website will be running on specific algorithm known as sorting. So if I have searched Apple, right? So it would search Apple means the relevant pages which have Apple as information on it, and it will sort the pages one by one with what I have searched. Now moving towards the types of websites. Now there are many kinds of websites if I don't talk technically. Otherwise there are two types, static website and dynamic websites. But there are many kinds of websites. Say for example commercial website, educational website, information websites. Now Vedantu.com, Topper.com, Edureva, Edutech, etc. would be the examples of educational websites. Now social media platforms are available in form of websites such as Twitter.com, Instagram.com. Now you might say that there is some kind of advantage in website rather than app or over an app, right? Now you can deactivate or delete your accounts only using websites and not apps. So it is a plus point of using website.
So first of all, I'll try to delete my account from the Instagram mobile app. So as you can see, I have opened my Instagram app and now I'll scroll through settings menu to see whether there are options available to delete Instagram account or not. So there are no options. So now I'm moving towards privacy, but there are no options in the privacy section too. So then I'm moving to security sections, but now there are no options there too. So now I'm searching to delete my account in settings menu manually, but the search results won't show anything. As you can see that I am typing delete Instagram account in my mobile browser. So it would immediately show some links. It is clearly mentioned in the link that you can delete your Instagram account from the website or the web browser only. By clicking on this link, it will redirect us to the page of deleting your Instagram account. So now I hope the advantage would be clear to you.
I hope you liked my content and you liked what I told you, and if you got any kind of information, please do share. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.